Mother's Day is different. This is not just another holiday.
Oh gosh.
This is survival. This is healing. This is a woman who cried behind closed doors. A woman who carried pain nobody saw, but still found the strength to love. Alicia Kim. Today is your first Mother's Day with your daughter.
I'm feeling good.
After all the storms,
Here waiting.
God finally placed sunshine
You think we're gonna back
in your
today?
arms.
I feel like I'm today. I feel like today.
There were nights your heart felt broken, so many tears, so many words unspoken, trying to smile while the pain ran deep, holding yourself together when you couldn't sleep. People judge without knowing your story, never saw your battles, never saw your worry. You kept walking through the darkest days, even when the world turned away. Alone in silence, fighting fear, wishing somehow love would appear. Then heaven answered through your cries with a little angel and beautiful eyes. And now every star means something, and every storm brought you here. 'Cause when your daughter calls your name, the pain slowly disappears. Happy first Mother's Day, Alicia Kim. You went the fire, but you didn't give in. Now your baby girl smiles at your face, and love finally fills that empty place. Through heartbreak, through all the rain, you kept standing through the pain. Now your daughter holds your hand, and you finally understand, Mama, you made it through. And now your little girl looks up to you. No more hiding all your tears, no more drowning in your fears. 'Cause your daughter needs your strength today, and you're stronger in every way. Every sleepless night you pray, every sacrifice you made, God was shaping something strong, preparing you all along. Now every life your daughter gives reminds you there's a reason to live. Every little smile she makes brings healing to your heartbreak. And one day she will understand how hard a mama had to stand, how you fought through all the pain just to give a better day. Happy first Mother's Day, Alicia Kim. Look at the warrior, all you've become within. Through the darkness and lonely nights, you still kept fighting for your life. Now your daughter reaches for your soul and somehow makes your broken heart whole. The same world that made you cry now watches your eyes. Mama, your story shines, and your daughter is your light. One day your baby girl will grow, and finally she will know how her mama cried in silence, but still fought through the violence. How you carry pain so deep, still rocked her softly to sleep. How you chose love over fear, even when life was unfair. And when she says, Mommy, I love you, every broken piece inside your soul will finally heal too. Yeah, you're not the woman you were before. Pain doesn't own your heart anymore. Now you walk with purpose and pride, with your daughter by your side. No more letting sadness win, no more living trapped within. 'Cause every time your daughter smiles, it makes the struggle worth the miles. And heaven saw every tear you cried, every moment you almost died inside. But today your blessing is clear to see. A mother's love in a family. Happy first Mother's Day, Alicia Kim. You are stronger than you've ever been. Now your daughter lights your way on this beautiful Mother's Day. All the nights you cried alone, God was building something. celebrates today. Your first Mother's Day. Mama, you made. Mama, you survived. Mama, your daughter is your miracle for life. To every mother carrying pain silently, please keep going. Your children see your strength, even when the world does not. And Alicia, years from now, your daughter will tell the world that her mother never gave up. Happy first Mother's Day.
Very slow.